Introducing the all-new 2024 Caymas 281 Hybrid from Black Label Marine Group. Powered by a single Mercury Verado V10 outboard motor, this boat has obviously got the looks. It's also lightning fast. Dual Garmin screens, upgraded audio, and Garmin weather technology keep you connected, entertained, and on course. The optional second station and surf turf mats provide convenience and comfort for those long days on the water. Custom underwater lights and LED lighting, placed everywhere you could think of, ensure visibility at all times and in every direction. Tailored for anglers eyeing that faraway offshore haven, but still passionate about navigating through the shallows. This is a boat that truly delivers on all fronts. The all-new 281 HV is a giant leap in the evolution of hybrid boating. Let's make it yours. For more information or a private sea trial, contact your local Black Label Marine dealership or check us out online, blacklabelmarinegroup.com.